Okay, here we go with some hints for the prelim revision, sheet 1. Question 1, fraction question. We've seen these many times before. First thing we need to do is we need to work out what 1/3 add 1/4 is. I'll leave you to do that. You should be able to do that without any problem. And then remember the off can be changed to a times sign. So once you've got that first answer, it's 2/7 times whatever that answer is. You should find lots of things cancel. Second question, a functions question. You're asked in the homework sheet to work out f of -3. I won't do that one, but just to give you a wee help, I'll do f of -4. So that's 2 times -4 minus 5 times -4 squared. So 2 times -4 is -8. -4 squared is 16. 5 times 16 is 80. -8 take away 80, -88. Okay, remember that's not the answer. You're doing this one here. Question 3, factorize. Well, that first bracket is a difference of squares. The second one can't do anything with the top, so it just stays as 5 bracket 2x minus 3, but the bottom, once again, is a difference of squares. So you can put the bottom into a pair of brackets. Once you've done that, one of these brackets should cancel with the bracket on the top to leave you with a fraction for your answer. Question 4, solve the inequality. First thing I would do here is I would remove the brackets. So this is like having a -1 in the front. So it's like -1 times y, -1 times 6. And then rearrange it so you've got y is less than. Okay, question 5, the magnitude of 2v plus u. So we need to do 2 lots of v. Now v is the vector -4, 1, 2. So we do 2 lots of that, and then we add on to that vector u, which is 2, 0, -4, and that will give us a new vector. The vertical lines here and here mean the magnitude. So how do you work out the magnitude? You do the square root of the first number in the bracket squared plus the second number in the bracket squared plus the third number in the bracket squared. Once you get your answer, you simplify the surd like we've been doing in class. Square root times square root. Question 6. The roots of this equation. The first thing we need to do is rearrange it to get it equal to 0. Then identify your a, b, c. And then plug these values into b squared minus 4ac, writing your conclusion. Question 7. We have a diagram that looks like this. Now we're told in the question that the bottom of the picture, so this bit here, along here, is equal to 2 of the top part. So that means that I can add on the bottom that vector there is 2u. We're also told in the question that this little part here on the right hand side is half of this side. So if that side is w, then we know that that side there is going to be half of w. Then for the actual question itself, we've got to work out how do you get from b to c. Well, b's up here and c's here. Now we need to go the long way round. So we're going all the way along the top, all the way down the side, all the way along the bottom, and then all the way up there. So we just need to add these vectors up. So the first one that we come to as we go from b is we go the opposite direction to u. So that's -u, and then we're going to go a -w. Then we're going to go along here, which is a +2u, and then a +½ w. And once you've put all of these in here, just add them up to get your final answer. Question 8, the monkeys decrease by 12%, so 100 take away 12 is 88%. Turn that into a decimal, 0.88. Doing it for 4 years, so that's the power, and then you times by your starting amount, 5,000, so whatever that comes out to be. Question 9, quadratic formula. So again, find your a, b, c, and then plug them into the negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. Question 10, calculate the area of the triangle. Well, if this is a octagon, then we can split it up into 8 triangles that are all the same. If we split it up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 triangles, we know what the angle here in the centre of every single one is. Okay, so if you let me extract the triangle we're trying to find, you can work out what this angle here is in the centre. You also know, because the question tells you that these distances are 10, so we can use the formula area as a half BC sine A to get the area of the triangle. A half 10 times 10 times sine. You've got the angle. Get the calculator, to work it out. Then the second part of the question, then calculate the area of the whole shape. Well, we've just said it was 8 triangles in there, so whatever answer you get, you just times it by 8. Question 11, solve that equation. I won't solve that one, I'll do one similar. 2 sine x minus or plus 2 equals 3. So that's going to mean 2 sine x is, I'm going to take the 2 over, 1, 3 take away 2. Now take the other 2 over, sine x is a half. Use your calculator to get your answers. Remember, at some point you're probably going to use the all, sine, tan, cos and tick various boxes as to where they might be. Okay, depending on the question. You should know how to do that.